How are you doing, math learners? This is your free access YouTube educator, Math Teacher Ash, and welcome to ML with Sir Ash. For today's lesson, we are going to solve another FB math challenge that is presented to us, and this is all about if and then statements with the application in the field of algebra. So if you want to know how to answer this problem, tune in and finish this video. But before anything else, hit that subscribe button and notification bell for you to be updated of these cool clear math videos just like this. Okay, math learners, we have here the problem. If 2 to the power of xy is equal to a, then the quantity 8 to the y power over the square root of 2 to the y power to the power of x is equal to what? All right. So in order to solve this, my dear math learners, first what we need to do is to convert our 8, okay, or 8 to the power of y. We convert our 8 into a prime base form in the exponential notation, and that will give us 2 to the power of, or 2 cube, all right? Then we have just copy y, which is the exponent. And then in the denominator side, we can make our square root of 2 to the power of y into an exponential form, and that will be 2 to the power of y over 2. And then we just copy the quantity x to the outside. Okay, power. Then, by doing so, we now have our application of the power rule. So, we will distribute our exponent x to the numerator and to the denominator, giving us 2 to the power of 3xy over 2 to the power of xy over 2, which is, in a way, this is by following the right way of writing exponents. We first write the number and then we follow the alphabetical order in writing the variables. Okay, so to continue, my dear math learners, we can separate the power of 3 in the numerator, okay, giving us the quantity 2 to the power of xy, and then the third power is outside the quantity over square root of 2 to the power of xy. So having this, we can now apply our if statement that 2 to the power of xy is equal to a, right? Giving us a cube, because a is the representation of 2 to the power of xy, and then we copy the cube, which is outside the parenthesis or the quantity, giving us a cube. And in the denominator side, since our radicand is basically 2 to the power of xy, then we can say that this is equivalent to a, right? Okay, the square root of a. Okay, now by substitution. Now, remember that in the final answer, it is prohibited for us to have a final answer that has a radical sign in the denominator side. So therefore, we will apply the rationalization. So in applying rationalization, we will multiply the whole fraction by the square root of a. Okay, both in the denominator and in the numerator, giving us a cube square root of a over the square root of a squared, in which this can be cancelled out, giving us a cube square root of a over a. Now, since a cube and a can be simplified through the quotient rule, we now have the final answer, a squared square root of a. And that is how we can solve our problem in this given if and then statements, my dear math learners. So, if you do enjoy how to solve this if and then statements in the application of algebra, you can check out our other FB Math Challenge in the channel. This is still your free access YouTube educator, Math Teacher Ash, and always remember, it is fun to learn mathematics if we are together learning. Thank you so much, God bless, and keep safe always. Hey math learners, if you want to learn more cool clear math videos and learn mathematics in the easy way, check out these videos right here. Keep safe everyone, and always remember, it is fun to learn mathematics if we are together learning.